Namar ka jingjale jong ki nong di but ki nong khai drugs ki pulet jong ka West Khasi Hills hakini ki snem ki latre shitam baha panikun persha ya kite ki kam sniu uba Bikram di Marak Superintendent of Police habai jingkran menta kasi haka jingpen shai pat ba ya ka jingpen kam ya ka nasha mukt Bharat Abhiyan hatersam hall ulong baha ki arsnam tam ki pulet ka West Khasi Hills kila dep pan register hado sapulaitali ki mukut tuma persha ya kinong khai bat kinong di drugs kibla yo pan kem ulo ong ru baki dan hado san pu sangut kibla syak kem ha ka ba ka we ka di ka kenthe ulo ong ru bana pedeng jongki dan kibla syak rai ban set patong bat dan ru kiba ka mukut duma ka dangsa hayeng bishar khadu e ula kentu ki pat ba ki nong san charge nong bat ki we ba kinya tray lang banyale persha yo drugs.
First, let me clear the doubts of many students. What is Nasamu? Because it is the word of a Hindi. So please try to understand the theme of this Nasamu. Nasamu, can anyone tell me from the students? How do you translate it into English? What is Nasamu? Anybody? Anybody? Students? No option for the teachers? Only for the students. Your time's up. Nasamut means drugs free. Nasa Muk Bharat Abhiyan means drug free India campaign. Got it? Okay. So here I stand before you all to talk a little bit about the drugs free India, which from the department side we have been spearheading in many of the platforms with the cooperation of many of the communities and with the NGOs, especially special-based NGOs from the Nongstoin. First and foremost, we are very thankful to all those stakeholders who have been trying very hard to eradicate this problem. Whose problem it is? It is ours problem. Society's problem, community's problem, family problem, and lastly, personal problem. Once it reaches to the personal problem, then that will be your last stage. After that, you will get a ticket for a free ride to go up. So, today I would like to share that data on what we as a police, as part of the Nasamuk campaign which we did. Don't take it other way around, students. It is not a kind of warning, but it is the fact which is happening in West Khasi Hills. The data which I am going to share is from 2011 up to 4th June 2025. The total number of cases regarding this NDPS, we call it drugs cases, is 43. 43 cases has been registered under NDPS Act. Okay? So, now you will ask me, from these 43 cases, how many person has been arrested? How many male, how many female? In this total 43 cases, we have arrested 54 persons, out of which 53 are male and 1 female. So now, the alarming point is, who are these 54? It's our own people Why do we need to disown them? In fact, we should counsel them. My request, I think all the stakeholders in this Nasamuk has been requesting the affected families, please come forward. We may like to offer a help because these persons need help. Yes, some are incorrigible, which we need to take a stern action, and we have done that also, which is called preventive detention. In NDPS, it is another very harsh law has come out, preventive detention, without trial, without reviewing the matter. If you are involved in 3 cases, you can be put behind the bar for 90 days without any reason. Passed by the order can be passed by the government, not by the judiciary. Passed by the government. And we have such a case from Nongstoin. Already one person has been booked under this preventive detention. One person is, in simple word I will say, on the way. So, these are the few things which I would like to share. We have done with the preventive detention also, so that they does not dilute our beautiful West Khasi Hills. Even to take out from the court, we have to produce an independent witness, where for the disposal also we send invitation to our media friends to accompany us. So that is how we never break the chain of command for the disposal, and we never allow a slightest confusion to pick on us. So these are the things I'm sharing the data. Please don't take it as a warning, but it's an alarming sign in our West Khasi Hills also. With this, many lives can go away, provided the community comes up, the teacher comes up, the students report us for everything. You don't need to fear anything, and your even 1 rupee from your mobile data also will not go, because the dial 112 is a toll-free number which you can dial freely. 112 is a toll-free number of our police control room. Anybody reporting against any drug abusers, or you are witnessing to it, please feel free to dial 112 and tell us where it is happening, what it is happening. If it is an addict creating problem in the society, we may be able to help. Or if it is somebody is indulging in trafficking, we may be able to nip in the bud so that it does not go to the larger population and destroy our youths.